So what I'm going to be using is Kiss Express, not Kiss Temptation. That one is a white bottle. That one washes out super quick. These run for $4.99 at my beauty supply store. And then I'm just doing swatches to see how bright the colors are going to come out on my hair. My hair is super light, so I'm really nervous that they're going to come out super bright because that's not exactly what I'm going for. So this is that face. Alright guys, there's pretty much no technique here other than going in one strip blue, one strip green, one strip purple, and making sure that they're evenly dispersed, and trying to get it at least a little symmetrical. So if I do green in the front in one layer, I make sure I get green in the front on like both sides. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And once the piece is dry, I didn't like do aluminum foil or anything because once they dry they get pretty like hard, so the colors aren't gonna mix. Once the hair is fully saturated, the colors won't mix anyway. This is me trying to clean off the blue that was stuck on my fingers. I was actually surprised with how well everything washed off my hands, so that's a plus. Here I am just going over all the spots that I missed in the back. This was kind of hard because I couldn't figure out if it was just the light reflecting off of my hair or if I actually was missing spots. But to be honest, I just kind of took majority of like blue or green and went in. Even if it was like a purple stripe, I went in with blue. Worst case scenario, they blend in and it looks like a pretty transition. But I also forgot to mention that I took a very thin layer at the top when I was all done putting in all of the colors, and I did a full layer at the top just blue, so that when I go to part my hair and I put it down, you don't see strips of color, you just see one solid color, and then everything underneath it is the different colors. So that was just what I did. You don't have to do it that way, but I wanted it to look clean. We are going to leave this on for a long time. I'm going to leave it on for like 45 minutes to an hour. Sometimes I like borderline sleep in it. I'm not a hairstylist. Don't judge me. I still have glitter on my eyes from like 4 days ago. How is that possible? Sorry. And I'm going to watch the show The Dark Crystal. I'm super late. Don't judge me. So that's what I'm gonna do in my spare time. Watch an episode, and then my time then wash this sucker out and then show you guys. Don't mind me. I will tell you one thing. I did not see much of any other color wash out except for blue. It's cool. There's some spots that I missed. It's dark, which I guess is what I was going for. Oh my god, my hands. I feel like an alien. I'm kind of excited. This is kind of exactly what I was going for. Don't mind my eyebrows and my fingers. Freak. I'm a mess. I'm kind of obsessed. What am I gonna do? Blow dry it? Am I gonna blow dry it? Let's blow dry it. Who cares? Let's blow dry it. I'm gonna blow dry it. And after blow drying it, I realized that I really wanted to be able to see all the different colors and add a little bit more shine. So usually when it's curly, it has a little more oomph in it. And I wanted more volume. I don't know. I just decided to curl it instead because that's it. Alright, so this is it without anything in it to help it will be shiny. It's super duper shiny. It looks so cute. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see where the hair journey leads us to. Because as most of you know, this is not it.